Why in the US? Ano? May mga pumupunta rin kayo sa mga farms?
Yeah, and school.
School.
Yes, Arizona.
Arizona kayo?
They're from Alaska.
Anong course mo?
Marketing, business marketing.
Anong year? What year ka na?
First year.
Hmm.
First year.
You have a long way to go pa pala. Parang doon na yata kayo talaga titira, ha? You'll just come here pag may occasion, no?
Vacation.
Why, ilan taong ka na doon?
Huh?
Ilan taong ka na doon?
Ikaw?
Yeah, ikaw.
Phoenix. Arizona.
How many years ka na doon?
4 months.
What's your name?
Brian.
Oh, si Brian.
FaceTime?
Nag-ano ako Facebook. What FaceTime? Meron bang FaceTime na app? Di ba Messenger yon?
Yeah.
Yeah, when you call. So kayo, 4 months, FaceTime na lang. FaceTime, we use FaceTime.
Yeah. Okay, 11 years since I came here.
What do you mean?
11 years
Since
I came here.
what is 4 months? What is 4 months?
4 months sa school. Sa
Di-
school.
Where?
Ako.
Okay. Why before? Wala ka sa school?
I was in high school. School and then